my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to My friends, can you believe Christmas is 3 days away? OMG, I can't believe it's upon us. Well, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some down-home Southern hot water cornbread, just like your grandmother used to make. And it is amazing and thebomb.com. It's going to be so crispy and full of corn goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this hot water cornbread will be perfect for your holiday dinner or any night of the week. So grab your cornmeal and your oil sugar, because we're about to fry some hot water cornbread magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. And I like my cornbread sweet, so I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. We're going to add in 1 cup of canned whole kernel corn that I drained some of the liquid. And for the hot water, I have 1.5 cups, and I'm just going to pour it in until I get the right consistency. You don't want it too soupy. I'm just going to stir it until it's nice and well combined. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cornbread batter, and I got it to the right consistency. That looks great. All right, so now we're going to form our hot water cornbread into patties. You're using clean hands. We're going to flatten it just like that. And over here in my cast iron skillet, I add vegetable oil. You want to get it nice and hot. So now we're going to put our cornbread patties into the hot oil. And you can make them any size that you prefer. Just like that. All right, my friends, let's take a look at our hot water cornbread. Smells good. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish frying the rest of my hot water cornbread, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern hot water cornbread. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Looks mighty tasty. All right, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh, it's nice and crunchy. Look at the specks of corn. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. I love me some hot water cornbread. It's so buttery. This definitely reminds me of being in my grandmother's kitchen making these delicious hot water cornbread. Y'all will enjoy this. This deserves another bite. Oh, the corn gives it an amazing flavor to it. Hot water cornbread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.